The fourth noble truth of the path that leads to the extinction of suffering, the two extremes and the middle path. To give one's self up to indulgence in sensual pleasure, the base, common, vulgar, unholy, unprofitable, and also to give one's self up to self-mortification, the painful, unholy, unprofitable. Both these two extremes, the perfect one has avoided and found out the middle path, which makes one both to see and to know, which leads to peace and to discernment, to enlightenment, to nirvana. So, yeah, it's not about not doing or doing.